all, it took a very long time to think about what to do, and I was looking online. There are 6 million motivational videos on YouTube, if you look them up, about getting ready for something, getting pumped up, doing that. But I didn't think any one of them really fit what you guys needed to see, because there aren't videos about like someone like Kanye sitting around and making goals for himself. There aren't videos about people coming in on a Saturday and working really hard to get ahead. There aren't videos about people working in the hallway to get as much learning done as they possibly can. There aren't videos about someone breaking their leg and coming back and consistently being at the top of this class. There aren't videos about people reading in the lunch line because they want to get in that academic time. There aren't videos about how amazing all of you are. And so we've shown you this number before. This is not going to be next year's video. This is not going to be next year's story. I'm not going to go over this number too much because you know it. You all feel it. You feel it for ELA. You feel it for math. It's not something most of us are proud of, and not going to be the video or the story that's going to be told next year. So today is your chance for day one to write whatever story that is about you, about your class, about Rise in 7th grade this year. You are beyond prepared. I was counting up how many tests you've taken this year for ELA specifically. 3 end of modules, 6 checkpoints, 8 cold read quizzes, 1 PARCC simulation. You are beyond ready for this. All of the training that you need, you have, and you're good to go. We are beyond confident that you're going to do a great job on this today. And that all of the videos that I could have looked up last night eventually are going to be about people like you who grew up, who came in from a really rough 6th grade year, and then just from there, shot on upwards. Can you tell your neighbor what these pictures mean to you in relation to the test?
Take notes.
Get it in full,
Someone tell me what the first picture all the way in the corner is. Go ahead, Michelle.
I think the first picture means that, like, focus also on your scratch paper and your test, like, that you have the scratch paper set up and take a tour.
What kind of things would go on your scratch paper? I will take hands. Amani?
Oh, the number of questions, passages, the answer eliminator, your writing test.
So an essay plan, an answer eliminator, number of questions, things you would add on tonight? The gist of your passages. Tristan? The genre of what you're reading, so you know, like, okay, it's fiction, I gotta be thinking about characters and setting. It's poetry, you need to be thinking about figurative language and the tone. Kaya?
Character-based traits.
Character-based traits for fiction, for sure. Amaya?
When you take the tour, you could like list the questions that you think are easy and the questions that you think are hard.
Yep, absolutely. Isaiah?
Plan out your time and do the general based thinking steps.
Genre-based. Asad?
Your name.
Well, I know my two groups know this. If you only have 20 minutes left, should you be planning your essay on paper or just typing it, Tavisha? Just typing it. That we know that Ms. Tavis and I have put an extreme amount of focus on scratch paper. If your time is running down, you need to put the scratch paper to the side and just make sure you have things submitted into the test. You have all seen examples of essays that get a 4, they get a 3, they get a 2, and so on and so forth. We do not want you to hand us perfect scratch paper later, but you only submitted 2 paragraphs of an essay. And yes, an essay is 4 paragraphs. They are not going to say that. They expect that when someone logs in to a 7th grade test, they know the word essay means multiple paragraphs with claim, evidence, conclusion, etc. So if your time is running down, and you'll all be able to see it at the front of the room you're in today, you need to just make sure you are typing things in and revising your work after that. You all know the criteria, you know the rubric, so look it over and grade yourself. Would this be a 4? Would this be a 3, etc. All right, Ms. Thomas, Pastor K.
Oh.
Ready for it?
Nah, you're not in, you good.
Okay, so, if you're in my advisory or in Parkland, you know sometimes there's some things that happen and we just need Pastor K to come in and just say a word to the Lord. So, today, Pastor K gonna bring us another word. So everybody bow your heads. Hold hands.
Dear Jesus, we ask you to come down and to help us with the part. We ask you to give us all your love and affection. We ask you to make sure that you are all over us, to make sure that we are doing our best, and make sure that we are doing all that we can to pass the part. In Jesus' name,
Alright, so it's about that time when you start yelling and getting turned up because it's about that time. So stand up. Ready? First things first. Do not hurt yourself by falling off a table or something because you're not taking this serious. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Do you remember how it goes? Yeah. All right, cool. How y'all feel? Fired up. How y'all feel? Fired up. F you. Fired up. F you. Fired up. Fired up. F you. Fired up. F you. Fired up. F
Alright, in a second, you're gonna dismiss into your testing rooms, one-on-one. The only things that are gonna happen when you get into those rooms is you're gonna get a laptop, you put it out in front of you, the same testing ticket you had for the simulation, you will have similarly, it's like your login to the park, and then from there, your scratch paper. You are going to go into those rooms. From here, you can talk. Once you sit down, you're calming your voices and your bodies down and be thinking about whatever it is that is motivating for you. This is for me, this is for someone, I'm channeling this inner athlete. Whoever it is, whatever it is, you are getting yourself ready to do that. Before big events, athletes aren't like having 19 conversations. They get fired up with their teams, and then they go off and they get themselves ready with what they need to do. So if you are in South, or generally Mr. Roos Advisory, plus Christian, plus ISIS, you guys are gonna stand up and meet me in that room now. And then once we leave Albert, you can take North and then Miss Thompson.